guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you see my face for the first time, my name is O.G.E the Explorer, and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. So I have finally left Nigeria. We left on the 27th of September, and today is the 29th of September. Like, it's just now that we are gathering ourselves together. It's just now that we are settling in, and I've not even called because I wasn't even able to like connect to the Wi-Fi. I don't even know why my phone was just misbehaving. No signal, no network. I don't get it. So right now, I really need to connect to to the Wi-Fi, which will be done later, so I can be able to like reach out to my family back at home, because I'm sure they'll be wondering why none of us have reached out to them. But the stress with kids, with your luggages, like it's been a whole lot of stress, but it's worth it. Like we got to the um airport. From there, we had like excess luggage. We moved to Doha, and from Doha, we got to our final destination, which is here in foreign land. And I'm so excited to explore and show you guys what everything looks like. So, right now, we have lodged into our Airbnb, and we're going to be staying here for a while, and I'll be showing you guys, I'll be giving you guys a room tour, obviously. I'm going to tell you the cost and everything. So please stay tuned and watch my vlogs, because everything you're going to be seeing is going to interest you. So guys, see you guys. Bye. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is O.G.E the Explorer, and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber in the UK. So I just recently moved to the UK, and I'm just barely 24 hours, no, rather 48 hours in the UK, and it's been a splendid journey. Let's say splendid, or the stress was there, but it was worth it. And we have finally settled down in our Airbnb, which we're going to be staying for a couple of days. So I decided that this vlog is going to be a house tour or room tour. I don't know what to call it, but it's going to be a tour. So I'm going to show you guys every part of this apartment. I'm going to show you the section, everything. I'm going to show you the dining area. Oh, this is dining area. Sorry, it doesn't have a dining area. But I'm going to show you every corner in this apartment. So guys, stay tuned and watch this vlog. And if you are a new first subscriber, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you to my back-to-back subscribers and viewers. I'm very grateful. So guys, I'm going to take you guys on a tour. So let's go. So guys, this is the entrance. The entrance, which takes you upstairs, but I don't have any business there, so I don't need to go there. So this is how you get into my room. This is my room. Voila. And once you get into the room, the first thing you see is the toilet and the kids room, which I'll take you later. But first of all, let's go to the sitting room. These are all our luggages. We just had to put them here because this is what the amount of space we have for now. So taking you to the parlor or the sitting area. It's a good amount of space though. It's not too big, but it's very, very okay. This is the fridge. Actually nothing is in the fridge. Nothing is there. Nothing is actually there. These are all we came with. Okay, they gave us some free milk, but it's actually empty. This is the sink area, the wash area. This is the washing machine. We haven't used it though, but I'll soon come and do some laundry. Sorry, hair's messed up. We just finished eating breakfast. I cooked Indomie. This is the microwave. That's the toaster, and those are my spices I use in cooking. So, and these are coffee, tea, and sugar, white sugar. And this is the cooking area. You can see that. Let me get a better view of this. I think this is better. So this is what it looks like. from here. This is what it looks like. Okay, and this is the sitting area where you have your table and everything here. So this is the TV section. We have the TV section. Okay, so let's go to the parlor, or let's go to the bathroom. See our bags. This is actually where you hang your jackets when you get in. So now this is the first door. Immediately after you come out from the sitting area, you come to the bathroom, the toilet. This is what it looks like. The light is actually automatic, so once you just come in, it comes on. It's been on for a while. It will go off on its own after some minutes. So this is the shower. The space is very okay. It's a good amount of space though. This is the toilet, this is the heater and all that. So that's what this toilet looks like. Now let's go to my room, or the kids' room rather. Of course, it's a happy place. So my kids are actually watching cartoon with their tablet. So they've always wanted a bunk bed. Like, this is what they've always wanted. Like, we've been saying we were going to do it for them back in Nigeria. And now, immediately they saw this, they were so excited. They were actually interested in who's going to stay up, who's going to stay up. And both of them actually stepped up because they just wanted to stay up. So no one was down. So that's what the room looks like. It's just a good amount, a little amount of space, not too big, not too small. This is the cupboard area. We have their stuff kept. And now let's go to my room. The room is big. I'll say it's big because I think I'm very okay and comfortable with this place. Like, the room is big. This is the cupboard. This is what the cupboard looks like. Let me get a little better view. So this is the cupboard. This is the bed. This is what it looks like. Sorry, my bed is messy, but just manage it like that. So that's what it looks like. Nothing too extra. Me, I don't like extra. Just like something very simple. Just very simple. Okay. So that is what it looks like. Let me go from this angle so you can see. This is what it looks like. That's our luggages. This is the heater. That's the fan. Of course, I'm not going to use this fan because it's very cold right now. So these are our bags. Sorry, we're still trying to like gather ourselves. We're not ready to unpack yet. So that's what it looks like. Then this is the cupboard. Sorry, this is what we have here. This is a duvet. I don't know, a duvet cover or something. I don't know what it is, but that section is my section, and this is my husband's section. Nothing too extra. Just a simple cupboard. Then this is so guys, this is my apartment, a fully furnished apartment for a family of four. Netflix, Wi-Fi, internet, all bills inclusive. So we booked this apartment for 1 week, and the cost of this apartment is £855, and we also paid a security deposit of £200, which in total was £1,000 55 pence. Please do not convert to naira. I beg you in the name of God. So guys, this place is a good amount of space for a family of four, if you ask me. It's very okay, and we are okay with it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button and support your girl. And to my back-to-back subscribers, you guys are the bomb. Like, you guys are the bomb. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm going to be giving you guys more content, and I promise you guys are not going to get bored of my channel. You are not going to get bored. So I'll see you guys in my next clip. Okay? Bye. So guys, I've showed you guys my room, and the kids are settling in. They're in the parlor or sitting room, sitting down to lounging there and watching TV. Even if there was nothing to watch on the TV. So my husband just came in and he has left again. He's actually doing his registration because we just came in barely 48 hours, and he had to do his registration because his school has resumed since the 19th of September, and we are just getting into the UK, and today is what, 29th already. So he actually came back to get something, and because the school is not far from here, it's just a walkable distance, which is good for us. We don't have to like trek, or he doesn't have to like spend money on transport. So he has already gotten our BRP, which is a good news, and I'm excited he did that, and we have passed that one. So the next is to continue with his registration because without his BRP, he won't be able to do his registration. So he has to get that and also get for all of us at once. So guys, I'll carry along with the process and everything involved. See ya. Bye.